Hello my little friend! Do you want to know how to make a burger? So watch the video till the end. Today we play with plasticine and make a burger. First, we prepare bando. We need white, yellow and little brown plasticine. And mix them. Oh, look this! Our bando is ready. We divide it two parts. One bigger, one smaller. And we make bun. Then we need make stuffing. First, we'll prepare 3 green lettuce leaves. Wow, look what a beautiful lettuce leaves. Let's take one burger. Next we need tomato and 5 onion rings. Now, the most important ingredient is the cutlet. I have the perfect color for the cutlet. Let's sculpt. Our cutlet is ready. I put on bun. At least we have a cheese. And we need yellow plasticine. First, let's roll it. We need a square piece of cheese, so we cut it into a square now. Now our stuffings are ready. Look, what a delicious burger!